Catalent's China Mainland Clinical Supply Services facility is located in the Stangjian section of Shanghai Pudong District, close to Catalent's existing Waigaoqiao Free Trade Zone facility and Zhangjiang Pharmaceutical Valley, which can help domestic and foreign clinical trial bidders improve the speed and efficiency of clinical trial supply and provide more flexible clinical research supply solutions.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel Gao, the General Manager of Catalent Shanghai. Welcome to our China Mainland facility. The Catalent China Mainland facility is located in Tangzhen, Shanghai City, which is about 20 minutes by car to our Waigaoqiao Free Trade Zone facility. It is also very close by to the Pudong International Airport and also the Zhangjiang Pharma Valley area. So it's a great location to distribute into the clinical sites in China. Our China Mainland facility has been set up in 2019 in response to the demand of more China domestic studies. Out of this facility, we offering secondary packaging, storage and distribution services, and also we have several rooms to handle the returns and destruction. So because we are in domestic China, we have a quicker response time to the orders dispatched into the clinical sites in China. At the same time, we have a quite big capacity for secondary packaging in 15 to 25 and also 2 to 8 area. So we can basically handling the bulk secondary packaging requirements, and also we can do importation, we can do export in bulk to other countries.
The project management team at Catalent Shanghai takes responsibility for facilitating, overseeing, and managing the entire life cycle of a customer's project. Through the end of 2021, the Catalent Shanghai project management team has supported more than 100 customers from around the world to help ensure reliable clinical supply of hundreds of study protocols. Catalent's clinical supply management team provides supply chain planning and optimization services, including forecasting, and oversees the execution of customers' clinical supply plans. The pre-production team at Catalent Shanghai designs the operational procedures to execute each project according to customer requirements and prepares the associated materials and documents for production. The ambient secondary packing area is designed according to the requirements of Good Manufacturing Practice for Clean Non-Classified Areas, or GMP-CNC. Here, all personnel must gown appropriately to meet the requirements before entering into the area. Our secondary packaging capabilities include assembly, labeling, and other operations required to meet the requirements of the project, and the global scan assembly system is employed to ensure accurate kit assembly. At Catalent Shanghai, we also offer wallet packaging, which is required by customers with studies featuring a double-blind blister packaging design or child-resistant packaging. To meet project requirements, we also offer labeling and kit assembly in 2 to 8 Celsius as well as -20 Celsius areas. An amberlit area is also available on-site for the packaging of light-sensitive drugs. In our label control area, a qualified global label design system which supports randomization generation and label printing is used to create labels for our customers. All printed labels pass visual inspection to ensure compliance with our quality standards. In our storage area at Catalent Shanghai, our procedures maintain the integrity of the internal environment and protect it from external impact. When the door to the receiving area is opened, the access door is closed and the air curtain system is turned on. Only when the gate is closed is the access door allowed to open for transporting the goods into temperature-controlled areas, and receiving inspection can be executed. In our GMP-CNC storage area, the receiving, storage, and shipping process flows in one direction, and there are separate zones for receiving and shipping. The temperature of the storage and packaging area is set at a constant 15 to 25 degrees centigrade, and the relative humidity at less than 65%. This is controlled by the building management system and monitored 24 hours a day by the environmental management system to ensure that both factors remain within the specified range, with an alert system as an additional precaution. In the cold storage area, we offer refrigerated storage from 2 to 8 degrees Celsius and the frozen storage from -15 to -25 degrees Celsius. For these conditions, independent receiving, packaging, and shipping areas have been established for both sets of conditions, and they operate within the temperatures required to meet our customers' specific needs. The shipping process includes picking and packing, which is automatically checked by our enterprise resources planning system. Each order is packed into a preconditioned temperature-controlled shipper procured by Catalent. The packing operation is conducted in an independent delivery area, and line clearance both precedes and follows the operation in accordance with GMP requirements to ensure the accuracy of the shipments. The disinfection, inspection, and storage areas are each housed within their own independent and air-conditioned controlled room. Trained operators execute reconciliation on the kit's return from clinical sites and enter the data into our Global Enterprise Resource Planning System, JDE 9.1. Once the return kits are confirmed by the customer, Catalent Shanghai will transfer the goods to the qualified vendor for final destruction. Catalent's standard operating procedures for quality follow a series of corporate policies and GMP/GDP guidelines, as well as customer SOPs. We periodically conduct strict corporate and site audits which cover all GMP activities. We have a history of successful quality audits from SGS, Chinese Health Authority, EUQP, and also from hundreds of customers within the pharmaceutical industry.
For the mainland facility, we can do importation from the Pudong International Airport. At the same time, we can do importation from the Waigaoqiao Free Trade Zone facility as well. So with the option to working with 2 customs, we can mitigate the risk if there's any issue at any customs. Make sure we can continuously import clinical material for you. We use the same management team to manage the 2 sites in order to provide the same standard of quality and services, and also provide flexibility in terms of the capacity. When we need more of the capacity at any site, we can move the people around. Also, we use the same project team to manage your study. You will have same contact window to working with both of Catalent Shanghai facilities. So really look forward to have you visiting China Mainland facility as well as our Free Trade Zone facility in the near future. Thank you so much.